Còisir Ghàidhlig Bhioctòiria, Còisir and Còisir Nàiseanta Bhioctòiria. We are the Scottish Gaelic Choir of Victoria, a community choir based in Melbourne. As in Piarst in Còisir Ghàidhlig Bhioctòiria, that has in her proshel and tradition to Gaelic tradition to Orin a harking and Gaelic. We are part of the Scottish Gaelic Society of Victoria, and we're very proud of the Gaelic song tradition. As you know, Rishain ounce of Gaelic, agus ounce of Yola, agus heshin son of a cummel and tradition to Orin Shin, agus retorched and tradition to Shin Waves in Australia. We sing primarily in Scottish Gaelic, but also with some English, and we're dedicated to keeping this tradition of Gaelic music and to bringing it to you and others in Australia. Make sure that all right Gaelic or Ryan Slelde, agus Ryan Obrach. There are many sorts of songs in the Gaelic song tradition, from traditional love songs to work songs. Sure yin Oren Obrach, she Oren Lower the Helm, our son of Yehu. One of these sorts of work songs is the walking songs or milling songs, which were used to finish the process of making cloth. Becoming Gaelic Victoria, a toggle David to know Fhèis Cheiltich Nàiseanta. The Gaelic Society of Victoria will be holding 2 workshops at the National Celtic Festival. Martin just happened to be bhith brachel their son of a Gaelic back in the Gaelic. Saturday morning there'll be a workshop so that you can learn a little bit of Gaelic, the traditional language of Scotland. I guess Fhèis just happened to be bhith brachel their son of a Gaelic portion. And Saturday afternoon there is a workshop to learn a song or two, a few tunes of Scottish Gaelic music. I hope we see you there.